this whole idea about how we stand out is, I think starts to break down if you're following the traditional way. And so I started to think about like how that could work differently. And I started to see a lot of companies doing this different thing, which is what I call the strategic narrative, which is they're not talking directly about their stuff initially. They get to it, but they're starting by talking about this shift in the world. So the strategic narrative is a way of differentiating that is not first and foremost based on talking about how our stuff is different, but talking about what we believe has happened in the world and how that point of view or that narrative about the world is different.